Volker, welcome. We're seeing increasing consumer trends towards health. So, how at Mondelēz are you balancing indulgence with that?
Yeah, look, we are in the business of snacks and snacking. So obviously, indulgence is what our consumers are looking for. We're obviously not in the business of nourishing consumers. So it's a healthy, balanced diet that's required. So if you go for what's a good, healthy lifestyle, yet a good snack and a nice snack in between is important for our consumers. Obviously, we look at the right quality ingredients, so we provide quality snack solutions for the consumers. So that's why we have in our mission to do snacking right with the right information for the consumers so they can make educated decisions and find the right solutions for their needs.
I just want to focus the spotlight on the business landscape in Europe. What are the key takeaways for consumer companies there?
Yeah, the first and foremost is stay focused on your consumer, because obviously even on a European landscape, there's no European consumer. So consumer dynamics vary big time in the different parts of Europe and different countries in Europe. So in general, if you take it in a global context, I think right now in Europe, we are in a pretty solid footing, specifically on the snacks and the food side of things. Obviously, it's a pretty volatile world nowadays, geopolitical and economically. Yet, we see when you really focus on serving the right consumers with the right things that give them pleasure, in our case, or solves their needs, you can thrive and grow the business and grow the category. So it's actually a better situation than in other parts of the developed world right now.
You're a well-established legacy brand with a rich history. How do you balance that and the trust and the familiarity among your consumers with innovation? What advice do you have for leaders?
You know, if you have a legacy brand that's still there, you probably have innovated for a long, long time. So if you take some of our brands like Cadbury, which is a massive brand in the UK and part of the Commonwealth, that's there for more than 200 years, thanks to constant innovation. Obviously, you keep the DNA of the brand healthy, but you evolve together with the consumer as well as what the technology and science allow you to do. So if you stop innovating, you're going to die. Therefore, you need to innovate. So it's not something you need to put in balance. You just have to continuously innovate while staying true to who you are.
Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.